My name is Fabien Morel and I'm Technical Sales Engineer at HEM. I will be presenting to you our silver sterilizer SIS B40. The main components are the control box, the electrode chamber assembly, incorporating solenoid valve, a flow meter and a flow regulator. The electrode chamber, the flow switch, fitted separately in the water line is a water pulse counter. The SIS B40 can be installed either as a primary sterilizer installed before the freshwater tanks, as a secondary sterilizer installed after the freshwater tanks. In this case, the solenoid valve is replaced by a small circulation pump. Setting as primary sterilizer. In settings, set configuration to A22. Set pipe setup to A.Loop. Set input 1 to the pulse value of your pulse meter. Example, set 10 liters per pulse, equal 10,000 milliliters per impulse. If you have two flow meters, set input 2 to the pulses value of the second pulse meter. Set flow unit to liters per minute. Set silver concentration to 0.1 ppm. Set continuous mode to off. To use it as a secondary sterilizer, use the same procedure except that set continuous mode to on. The LED lamps on the front panel indicate the status on the equipment. Powered is green, alarm is a dashed red, and active is continuous orange. To change your electrode, you will need a 32 mm spanner. Then, in the electrode menu, reset the electrode usage as follows. The SIS B40 is now aware of the new electrode. Some parameters can only be changed when the unit is in standby mode. We hope you find this video useful and thank you for your attention.